In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify bundles, 5 minutes. Bundles are a great way to increase average order value by letting customers buy multiple products together at a compelling price. Let's walk through how to set this up from your Shopify admin step by step in a clear and simple way. First, head to shopify.com and sign into your store's admin. Once you are in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Apps. This is where you manage everything you've added to your store. From there, open the Shopify App Store. You can do this directly from the Apps page using the Shopify App Store link. In the App Store, use the search bar and type bundle or bundles. You'll see a range of options designed for different bundle styles, like fixed sets, mix and match, and volume discounts. Select a bundle app that fits your needs. Take a moment to check ratings, recent reviews, pricing plans, and key features such as inventory syncing, variant support, and compatibility with your theme. Many apps offer a free plan or trial, which is handy for testing before you commit. Click Install to add the app to your store. You'll be asked to approve permissions. Read them so you understand how the app will interact with your products and orders. After installation, open the app from your apps list in the Shopify admin. Inside the app, click Create Bundle. You'll be guided through setup, usually with a clean step-by-step interface. Now add your details. Choose the products you want in the bundle and decide whether it's a fixed set or one that lets customers pick from a selection. Set your bundle title and description in a way that clearly explains the value, and add an image that represents the group of items well. Configure pricing and discounts carefully. Make sure the final price reflects the savings you want to offer while protecting your margins. If the app provides options for minimum or maximum items, variant rules, or inventory behavior, set those based on how you want stock to be tracked. Consistent SKUs, tax settings, and shipping rules help avoid surprises at checkout, so review those if your app supports them. When everything looks good, click Save Bundle. Most apps will then generate the bundle as a product in your catalog. If a preview is available, use it to confirm the layout, pricing, and add to cart flow. A quick check now helps prevent customer confusion later. That's it, your bundle is ready to help boost sales with a clear, attractive offer.